I did this bicycle flip only using $150 without owning a car and without having a cell phone. Hey gang, this is Mike with myrealestatedojo.com, and I turned this $150 into $400 in one day. You heard me right. So again, I took $150, I bought this bike from a motivated seller off of Facebook Marketplace, and I washed it really good, took amazing pictures of it, and I wrote a great sales copy for it, which I give it to you in the link below. And I posted it on Craigslist, and some gentleman came and bought it in next day, like less than 24 hours, and he paid me $400 cash for it. So that is a huge profit. And here's the funniest thing: I didn't own a car because I sold my last car. I don't have a car. And I'm in a new city, which I don't know left from right. What that means is I don't know my way around. Plus, I don't have a cell phone, okay? So that's it. This is how it is. And I haven't had a cell phone since 2016 by choice, by becoming a minimalist. Same with the car, right? And the funniest thing is that I ended up transporting the bike by towing another bike. So I used my own bike to tow the bike where I needed to go. And the funny thing is that at first I didn't think I was able to tow a bike with another bicycle. I thought I would have to use an Uber or walk there or something like that, okay? But the funny thing was that
the power of creativity, imagination.
And then I towed the bicycle that I bought with my own bicycle. And I only paid the guy $150, and I flipped it the very next day for $400, and the guy that came and bought it was a home inspector, which we're going to do business with because I'm a real estate investor. So it was a very win-win situation, and this is why I love flipping bicycles, because you get to meet a lot of people, you get to see a whole lot of different areas, you get to meet home sellers, home contractors, all kinds of people while making money and making networking and learning area, finding motivated sellers all into one. You know, some people say drive for dollars. I say cycle for dollars. I say flip bikes for dollars, because not only are you going to be making money on the bike side, but you're also going to learn and know the area that you're in and find inventory that's not on the market. All right, guys, if you're interested in the new flip, download my book below. I'll answer all your questions because I want you to win. See you later in the next video. Peace.